While the world watched Gurinder Veer Singh make history this weekend, there was another story that unfolded on this same track. One that tells you about how competitive Indian athletics really is. Meet Animesh Kujul, 22 years old, from Odisha. Last year at the National Senior Federation competition, Animesh clocked 10.18, making him India's fastest man at the time. And this is someone from a state that no one really associates with sprinting, who then held the most coveted record in Indian athletics. Then came May 23rd, 2026, the exact same competition a year later in Ranchi. In the first semi-final, Gurinder Veer Singh ran 10.17 seconds, snatching Animesh's record away from him. In the very next heat, Animesh Kujur set foot on the track, clocked 10.15 seconds, took his record back again from Gurinder Veer Singh. All this unfolded within an hour. This is two Indians on one track, records being broken and reclaimed in real time. Then came Saturday. Gurinder Veer again came back, clocked 10.09, snatched the national record from Animesh Kujur once again, and became the first man to clock under 10.10 ever in Indian history. So he beat Animesh by 0.11 seconds. But this is what the real story is about. This isn't Gurinder Veer versus the world. This is Gurinder Veer versus Animesh. Two young Indians pushing hard, taking Indian athletics and sprinting to places that it had never been to before. Also, Gurinder Veer's timing is the second fastest for any Asian this season. He comes second after 19-year-old Japanese Fukuto Komuro, who clocked 10.08. This is evidence that India isn't just producing one fast man anymore. This is a legacy of people that we are building. We are building a cohort of competitors who are pushing the limits of Indian athletics day by day. And this is exactly why you need to be paying attention to Indian athletics for the next coming months, because the Commonwealth Games are going to be taking place end of July until beginning of August, and the Asian Games are going to be starting end of September until beginning October. So if you're looking to build a stronger connect with Indian sport in the next few months, this is exactly what you need to be following.